Hello YouTube, welcome to tutorial 7. Today we'll be learning about defines and macros. Let's get started. First we gotta do our common include for IO string and in and out string input. So include IO string, in and out string, input out. Then we gotta go ahead and do, this one's new to you guys. This one is include windows dot h. This includes common 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 macro definition. So, and then we got another include, which is string.h. This includes some macro, not as much as windows.h. It has few. This program will run without windows and strings, but the same video is because they deal with macro. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our user namespace because I want to type that in. So using namespace, semicolon. And then we're going to go ahead and use our first define. Yeah, define. That is what a define looks like. So, alright, we're going to do a define and then we're going to have a message. So we're going to define a message. Then our message will be answer is. Alright, this is going to be a simple calculator. Alright, and then we want to go ahead and define another thing. This is known as a macro. Alright, so define add a b down we'll go a b and then a plus b. What that's doing is variable 1 plus variable 2. What this is saying is add variable 1, variable 2, variable 1 plus variable 2. That's good. So every time we type in add, this is what, alright. Whenever we type in add, it's going to jump back up here and say, what the hell is add? And so define add inside of this little dictionary that we created, and it's going to say define add as a plus b. So variable 1 plus variable b, variable 2. Then we're going to go ahead and start the code by doing int main. So int main argument. Alright, so we're going to start it. And we're going to go ahead and define our integers, so our variables. Int. These are going to have no value, we're just going to input these. So we're not going to place a value on. Then int I. And then we want to go ahead and make a shout out on that thing. That's the shout. So that's what we say. Shout. Enter. To number to x. And slash n, so the line break. Remember, you gotta do the semicolon. I'm going to go ahead and put command input point in x semicolon. This is asking for the user's input on x. So user's input on x. Alright. Remember when I said count needs to be lowercase, that's that issue. Alright, so now we need to make another sim for y. User input on y. And then we want to go ahead and make an I. Oh wait. Alright, yeah, we want to use our macro. remember our macro was this, and then this is our common defined. They're basically the same thing, except that people call this a macro because it's strictly dealing with numbers. Alright, so macro. What is a macro? Alright, this is what a macro would look like. Alright, so I equals add x and y. And that's a macro. Alright, so let's continue with code and I'll explain that part a little bit later for people who don't understand that. How message variable I at that point, then L. And then that's going to give the message of value of I. Alright, and then we want to go ahead and do the system pause and then the return. Windows.h deals with system pause. That has that. So we're going to do system pause. You can make this lowercase if you want. And return 0. And why is it? Because of the y. Alright, you gotta make sure the y isn't capitalized. Isn't reverse capitalized from the value that you input. Alright, so system expected. Well, right here. Alright, so let's go through and redefine. Alright, so include IO stream. That deals with in and out streams. Include Windows.h deals with common macro definitions and includes system pause. This will work without the system pause because IO stream has system pause in it. And so include.h, some macro definitions, that includes some macro definitions. Using namespace std, this from using std protocol. Define message. The answer is common define. That's what that is, a common define. Define add a comma b, a plus b. Variable 1 plus variable 2 is macro. That's define and then it's adding. It's doing the same thing as this, but this time it's giving it, it's defining it, and then it's giving it command. Int main, int x, int y, int I. It's just saying these are variables that are going to be used in our code. And then this is a count, this is what it's going to ask for. Enter 2 numbers to add. You can have anything you want in those, but we're going to make it relevant. Command input x, that's us giving the value to x. And then on the next line, send y, that's giving the value to y. I equals add x and y. This makes this jump up to the define of add, where it goes I add, that does this command, x of y. It does it with x and y. So it does it with this value that we define, and then the value of this one that we define. You get that? So it's going to give us I. It's going to use this define, which is up here, and then it's going to do x and y. It's going to add x and y. So add x and y. And then it's going to go ahead and count message, which is going to define the message, which doesn't understand what it is. And the message is, and then the value of I, end of line. And then it's going to pause, and it's going to return 0 after we do an input on the computer. So let's go ahead and build it. Macros and defines are usually confusing at first, but easy to understand after you get them down. Alright, so we have no errors. We're going to go ahead and press F5 on the keyboard. we're going to enter in 2 and 2. That should give us 4. And there we go. Thank you for watching. Continue to the next tutorial.